This video is to show you how to clean the headlights on your car using items that you can find at home. And you can turn your headlight from this sort of cloudy yellow to this. There are various techniques out there to clean your headlights, but this, if you want a quick effect to clean headlights up, is very cost effective and simple to do. These are the things that you need. First one being nail polish remover, non-acetone, okay, with some cotton pads. You need to clean your headlights to start with, and that is the sort of finisher, if you like. Ben, grab the camera. Perfect, mate. So first thing I'm going to do, clean up your headlight to remove any surface dirt. You could use any household window cleaner. Then get your cotton pad and just put some dabs of the nail varnish cleaner on and just wipe all around the headlight. That's what it's removing. Turn the pad over and repeat. You don't need to use too much pressure doing this, because it will, by virtue of doing it, slightly score the headlight. And the more pressure you apply, the more scoring you're going to get and the more work you'll have in the after stage. But that effectively is the yellowing that you get on the headlight, and that's why the nail varnish remover removes it. So once you've done that, immediately you'll see it looks clearer anyway. Just clear your headlight again, give it another clean down. Then what you do, you just get me that bottle of spray, water from inside there, in the room. Just get some cutting compound, a drill with a pad adapter. If you haven't got this, then you can do it by hand, it just takes a little bit more time. But the spray bottle with the water, just dab a little bit. Okay, so when you've put your compound on, you just need a bit of water to soften it. Dab it onto the headlight, and then effectively start off slow to work it all in. And then when you've worked it all in, speed it up. final clean down. To remove any of the cutting compound residue and just give the light a clean up. And there you have it. And that's taken 6 minutes to complete. So a clean headlight, non-MOT failure in 6 minutes using household products. Thanks for watching.